Alright, I believe it's Friday. It's cold today. It was froze down, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches, but once I got down into where I was digging, I was okay. Got my first find exposed. It's one of those Snow Crest beverages, bears. Let's hoop its whole. And there's a, oh, it's whole. It says, this is a beverage, I think. I think it's a, oh, man, I was lucky I didn't break it. Ooh. It's my first find. It's not broke good. This one's got different embossing on the bottom, way different. See, that's awesome. It's a bear. It's like the 10th one from here. Man, I'm glad I didn't break it. I saved it. Well, anyway, that's my first good find. Later. Alright. Here's an old 7-Up. The graphics messed up. Thought I better film this. This sure looks like an embalming fluid. There's all kinds of stuff sticking out. You can see tons of stuff. But let's see if this is an embalming fluid. This will make the day if it is. Oh, it's a milk. It's a square one. It's unembossed, but that's still cool. Nice milk. Later. Alright, I just got something else cool. It's a brown flask, and man, it's still got the original cap on it, which can be saved. And it's got AA on it. It's pretty cool. Probably take that later. Hey, look here, fakes. It just fell out of that wall. Man, that one still has the original cap on it. And see, this one has different embossing. It says the Snow Crest Beverages, patent pending by Salem, Massachusetts. And it has 17 and 2 here. It's real nice condition. It was like a honey flavored drink, I think. Carbonated drink, maybe. Later. Well, here's a heartbreaker. It has an embossed S on the bottom. And this is probably a Hutchinson. It says Speidel. S-P-E-I-D-E-L Brothers, Wheeling, West Virginia. Well, that's a shame. It's an old break. Later. Alright, I'm still up here looking around. I just dug out this. It's an Atlas Easy Seal, and I got a clear lid to fit that. That's pretty nice. Later. Alright, do you see it? It's got a real nice Brookfield insulator. Let me see. It looks really nice condition, and it is. It's beautiful. That's a good find. Later. Well, must have been where a bunch of them was dumped. Look here. Yeah, this is a different one. Made in the USA, Hemingway. That's nice. 2 insulators right here, 2 bears. Hopefully I can get something cool today. Later. Man, look down there. 2 of them bears right there. Look, another one. 3 of these bears again. This is like probably 12 of them from here. I don't know. Snow Crest Beverages, Salem, Massachusetts. Very cool. Later. Alright, man. I've been moving around, but you can see I've got tons of stuff I haven't shown. There's 3 or 4 blue bottles. There's a bunch of stuff there I gotta clean up. And I was just thinking, man, I haven't found a marble for a while, so I moved to where I found some. And oh man, I get a cool one. It's right there. Looks like it's gonna be an awesome one. Oh yeah. Day maker. Let me get it cleaned off. Later. Alright, well, it's hard to get these cleaned with dirty gloves on. But this is like a turquoise translucent swirl on a white base, and it's just excellent condition, and it's a beautiful old marble. Look at that. Wow. Love it. Later. Alright, you can see back in this hole here, I just got an absolute day maker. Do you see it? It's a marble. It's right in front. It's right here. See what we got. Looks awesome. Yeah, these multifloor are tearing my toboggan off. See what we got here. Oh, it's clear base, folks. Oh, it's awesome. Let me get it cleaned off. Look at that. Alright, look at this bad boy. It's got a big red patch on it. And that white's all veneered over a clear marble. Look at that. Wow, that's nice, folks. Wow. Later. Well, do you see it? I got an awesome find. And I have other ones of these, but not this one. It's a ceramic insulator. It's right here. Oh man, it's a little one and it's perfect. I've got variants of this one, but I don't have this one. Look how perfect and little it is. It's awesome. It's like brown glazed ceramic. Later. Alright, right back in there. Dug out a ball perfect mason. It's pretty nice. Alright, I'm in a real nice layer up in here. It's real easy digging. I got my first cake. See what this is. Sistersville, West Virginia. Most of them are, but that's a nice find. Yeah, I just got this. It's a nice ball mason. I think it's got an 8 on the bottom. It does. Got all this stuff. I got 3 of these bears. Got 3 insulators. They're all different. Big guy, strong shouldered mason up here. Some milks, none embossed, but still some cold ones. A Coke and a blue bottle. And also got, let's see, a couple marbles. They're both dandies. They're both real nice. So I did good. Not my best day, but not a bad day either. 2 high quality marbles. Later.